So we got one night here at the Sahara Douz. Here's the entrance. This is in an oasis in the town of Douz. Just to spin around a bit, see some of the lush surroundings with the palm trees. Had a pretty busy day. We got up at 5 this morning to head down from the coast to the desert here. So we've seen a lot of really interesting things so far. So we're just checked in. Let's take a look. That's just a pretty kind of a basic hotel. It's not bad, but take a look at the room video. You see it's pretty small, pretty basic. There's probably upgrade rooms, but with a package, I'm sure they went for the cheapest option. Off in this direction, we've got the restaurant, which I believe is not open yet, but. Okay, so we'll go back to the main entrance here, just off to the right. That's where we came in through the metal detector that no one pays attention to. Here's the check-in on the right. There's elevators just through that hallway there if you need to get up to the higher floors. And this is the main bar here. Kind of lounge area. You get some beers. See what kind of cocktails they have here. Hi. Some vodka, scotch, some wine. A fairly limited selection of liquor, I find, in general in Tunisia. Usually wine is what we've been sticking to, and beer, of course. But in terms of hard liquor, they don't really have much selection of that. I think gin and scotch is about all I've seen. And this is pretty cool. This is a nice area. They got this big courtyard with a pool in the middle. It's probably the best feature of the resort, really. It's a bit overcast today. It seems to be getting overcast in the evenings a bit. But you can see you can hang out here. So I'm guessing that the nicer rooms here overlook the courtyard here. You get a nice view. Yeah, the room we have just kind of overlooks some sand on the outside of the hotel, which is not particularly scenic. There's no balcony or anything, which is kind of nice. The pool here looks excellent, actually. See, hanging out here in the sun. Now here the temperature is not. It's a little too cool right now. I think. Sometimes it's been getting up in the high 20s, but today I think maybe it got to 20. Oh, this is interesting. They got some tents set up over here. Let's go check that out. I don't know if these are just demos or demonstrating what life in the desert would be like if you wanted to sleep in a tent. I do remember checking the internet before I came that there's options to sleep out in the desert, but I don't think this is where you would do it. Yeah, you can kind of see inside the tent there. They got some mattresses laid out and whatever. Not for me. We did see lots of people as we're driving through the desert herding goats and camels. Yeah, so I'd say this courtyard area is really the highlight of the resort area, really. You can check out the room tour. I'll tag that on in a minute. It's pretty basic, I would say. Okay, so thanks for checking out the resort tour. I'll just give you guys an idea what the hallways are like. Slightly dated. And watch your step coming down these floors. Yeah, so we took the elevator up only to have to come down some stairs here to get to the our room down here a bit. Yeah, so kind of dimly lit hallway. So yeah, it kind of sticks in with a pretty basic theme of the hotel. All right, let's check the room out here. We got 247, and I will warn you, it is a pretty basic room. Let's start off with the bathroom, which is actually quite nice. There's a toilet here, a sink, a mirror. Looks very like it's been freshly redone. The shower here, proper shower. Yeah, I'd give top marks to the lots of towels. Yeah, the bathroom facility are quite nice. The room, I'll have to say, is pretty compact. Come in here, we've got a couple of, I don't know, twin beds, single beds. Down here, we've got the mini fridge, not stocked. Got some storage space here. A little bit of storage space, coat hangers. We're just here for one night, so I don't think we're gonna make use of the storage. The beds, the mattresses are actually reasonably soft. And the view, yeah, I guess our tour package didn't go for the upgraded rooms. We don't get a view of the pool, we get a view of, I guess, the palm trees and the desert outside, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so this is it. It's a room, pretty small. Okay, let's check out the buffet here. It's just opened up. It's people are pretty hungry. It's people are running around pretty busy. Oh, he's cooking up some spaghetti there. Got some salads, some other food. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, we've got the desserts here. Oh, excellent brownies. Be having some of those later. Ice cream, chocolate, ice cream, perfect. Yeah, so the night we're on here, there seems to be some kind of rally going on here. You see a number of cars. I talked to one of the guys. His English wasn't excellent, but I did get the idea. There's a 4-day race going on. So someone was telling me that these license plates are all Italian, and so these guys must have, well, they didn't drive over. Must have had a ferry to bring their cars over. They got some kind of rally going on here. So kind of interesting collection of vehicles. Not something we see too often in Canada.